I want to show you a chart setup you can use with the Ultimate Delta, in particular the Delta candles. This is this morning's price action, Thursday morning. So with the Ultimate Delta, you've got the option to paint the candles and the outlines. There's 3 different levels of threshold that you can click on or off. And then you can change all these colors. By default, I've got the neutral up brush and the neutral down brush both set to white. But if you want to be able to see the direction of the neutral candles, you could use white for the up brush and silver for the down brush. So even when you get these neutral candles, you can still tell if this is an up candle or a down candle. So this feature will not allow you to see what is a true up and down red or green candle, but it will show you if the delta was slightly positive or slightly negative, but still within the neutral zone, which I think can be more helpful than the actual up or down candle. You could also choose gold for the up and orange for the down, whatever you might find more visually appealing. So there's a lot of different ways you could customize these delta bars. I like my white and my silver and the default colors with all 3 levels activated. I've also got the delta divergence turned on for the MMT Ultimate Delta. A divergence look back of a number 3. It's usually my favorite for the 1-minute chart, and that's when we are in per bar mode, not cumulative mode. I've also got the trend and reversal indicator, only painting reversals and divergence. You can see these green triangles and the green arrows. There's also red triangles and red arrows. And I've got an input series of the RSI. So this is divergence and reversals on the RSI. Divergence look back is a number 1, the overbought and oversold at 90 and 10. The reversal look back is a number 6. Overbought and oversold is 60 and 40. Same settings as I used on the previous video using the RSI as an input. So here's some RSI divergence and reversal to the downside. See, we got some good signals off the RSI trend and reversal. This is from 9:20 to almost noon. If we go back to pre-market, had a couple of nice signals there as well. And if you normally trade at slower times of the day, like the pre-market or Asian session or London session, you might want to change the delta threshold values. I use 100, 200, and 300 for the NQ minute, but that's only during the New York Open session. If I was trading a slower session, I might change the values to be something lower. To get the appropriate values for the time frame that you trade, the instrument that you trade, and the session that you trade, you just kind of look back at the histogram for the time of day and the instrument and the time frame that you trade, or the chart type that you trade, and just kind of see where these histogram levels are hitting day after day. See where you might want your level 1, level 2, and level 3 thresholds to be. Simple as that. And then these gold triangles, this is the delta divergence. We got 2 divergence signals today. First candle of the New York Open was a neutral candle. Second candle, strong bullish delta. And one way to know if the strong delta is the start of a trend or exhaustion is you wait for a confirmation. So we get this strong bullish delta candle. We want to wait for confirmation of price to break out higher. Price does not break out higher on the next candle, so no trade triggered. We get some light delta to the downside, a couple of neutral candles. Here's another strong delta candle to the upside. Again, we want to wait for a breakout when we get this strong delta. We do not get a break higher above this candle. Next candle, some medium-sized delta to the downside. And check out the look of this candle. Look at this intense wick. This is not a bearish candle. And after all the strong delta that had already come in this morning, combined with the fact that breaking below this candle, we've got the 20 SMA right in our way, as well as this volume level from the key levels. So I'm probably not going to be looking for a short unless we break through these areas. Next candle. This is a very bearish looking candle. We still want to wait for a breakout below this candle. Ideally, the close would be below the 20. This next candle, we close just a little bit below the 20 SMA. When we break the low of this candle, we get a nice little pop down. As we're coming down to VWAP, delta is drying up. See these candles getting lighter. We have a really nice bounce off of the VWAP. We got some medium-sized delta coming in on this candle. Nice big bullish candle, close above the 20. we do get a little pop higher. Candles start going neutral. Delta starts declining as we're making this rise up. We get a nice close back below the 20. Very bearish candle. Strong negative delta. Close below VWAP. We had this little gap between yesterday's close and the overnight open. We filled that. Nice drop lower. Got some divergence and some chop. Notice all these candles are neutral. Then we get some light delta coming in. Get another little drop. Get some RSI divergence. RSI reversal. Got these neutral candles down here. Delta's drying up. Then we get the positive delta start to come in. Make a push back up to the 20 SMA and VWAP. So I don't need to go over every single example today, but I just wanted to show you some more ways that you could use the ultimate delta and give you some more ideas on possible ways to customize the indicator to meet your own personal trading needs. I've tried to include as many options as possible so that people can really make these indicators look just how they want them to look. Because I know everyone sees the market a little bit different, and it's really nice to have a personally tailored chart. So it's Thursday night. This is how my week has gone so far. Up almost $500 for the week after commissions. Today I made back what I lost yesterday. I've got about a 1-to-1 ratio between average winning trades and average losing trade. And my largest winning trade is bigger than my largest losing trade. So I'm doing all right statistic-wise. Just stuck trading the micros. Still having issues getting proper sleep. I skipped the morning session today, and I just traded a little bit this afternoon. Lots of different factors when you're trading. It's a lot more than just picking a strategy and taking some trades. There's so many different things that factor in, like personal life situations and everything else. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. There's links to the MMT Ultimate Delta in the description, as well as the MMT key levels and the MMT trend and reversal indicators. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Have a great day.